how's it going? So I decided to troll. I'm gonna go trim the tank and I'm just gonna coin flip. Right? Look at this. Look at this. I mean, look at this gameplay. I'm talking. Do you remember when I told you like riot catters for people who just wanna just like jerk off and win the game. That's what they want to do. Look at this gameplay. Look. Because you see, I'm sick and tired. I'm sick and tired of being outplayed by morons because my champ sucks. Alright? Just like the champ sucks. Tank items are giga overpowered, right? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna jerk off as well. I'm just gonna go tank and coin flip, and that's it. Like, look at this gameplay. Look, I'm talking about this guy here. Look. Like, what is he doing in the game? Look at this damage. So all of his abilities apply this bullshit. Right? All of his abilities. Right? So look how much damage. This shit alone. I was playing Vayne one time 1-on-1 in a RAM against Yorik, and this thing killed me under my own turret. I was like farming. I'm trying to understand what the hell is dragging my health. And then he basically caught me in his toilet. I call it the toilet. Pressed a button where all of them just jumped on me, and I instantly died. Like, instantly. Do you know what I mean? And I was like, what kind of gameplay is this? Do you know what I mean? So I jumped into him. I was expecting this guy to help me, but I mean, whatever. But look. What is he doing? Like, what is this gameplay? So he captures me in the toilet, right? And then just walks away, and his minions are basically killing me. That's it. That's his gameplay. You know what I'm saying? And he was doing it for the whole game. For the whole game. Right? And like, look, you see? And his minion, like, this shit here does so much damage, it's stupid. Look, and he just goes and jerks off somewhere, and like this shit just kind of does everything for him. Like what kind of gameplay is this? Right? Like, I don't mind, he's not gonna kill me. Theoretically speaking, right? Because I can ult, I can heal back up, I got Warmog. I don't give a shit, honestly. I'm just gonna wait here. But look, like, he done 5,000 HP damage already. And I have, what? 176? 143 magic resist. I mean, how do you deal with this? Like, what kind of gameplay is this? Do you know what I mean? Oh god, League of Legends players, I'm telling you. See, and League of Legends catters. League of Legends wants you to play like this. Wants you. It's so stupid. But like in this game, what you call it, this lady basically was just killing everyone. This lady here. This guy. Now this champ, I have to say, is a little bit busted, honestly. That just overall is just a very busted champ. Because she does like percentage damage AoE. Insane. Like, basically all champs in the game are better than Tryndamere. That's it. Like, everything is better than Tryndamere at this stage, I feel like. The only thing that's worse than Tryndamere is probably Rise. Because this champ is so shit, you shouldn't even play him. Vladimir, I'd say, is crappier than Tryndamere. Maybe Xingzhao is also crap because he's so bad, Xingzhao. He's like too squishy. Doesn't do enough damage. Like, he's okay early game, but I mean, he falls off so hard, it's just beyond stupid. Like, almost anything is better than Trynd right now. Almost anything. So I just gotta... But I have to say, Tank Trinda does pretty good damage. Like, especially with Grasp, because you have so much health. Like, 5,000 health. You basically, when Grasp taps, I mean, he does pretty good damage. But I'd probably trade Grasp for Lethal Tempo. Because Lethal Tempo, active for a long time, does pretty good damage. But there you go, you see? I didn't have to do anything in this game. I was literally just farming, and that's it. And occasionally, like, last hitting. Last tapping the enemy, right? And that's about it. And look, you see? This guy won the lane, won everything, and I have more gold than him. 1.5 times more gold than him. I have no idea how that works, but whatever, dude. I'll take it. Take care.